Hi guys, in this video I'd like to talk about the variables that are present in the Matlab. Well, I should have told about this sooner, but anyways, well, a variable is a name made up with a singular or a group of letters that are usually, we will show you. Suppose say you have given A or ASD or whatever, and then we'll equate with it a numerical value or an expression, whatever. Just give it, okay, and then it will show it the variable name and then equal to, and then this one. And now whenever we declare a variable, well, it actually goes to a memory location, and then this variable name is given to that memory location, and whenever we use that variable, it loads that memory location and takes in the value that is usually stored in that location. Okay, so now whenever we call that variable, it automatically goes to that location and uses the value that is stored in that memory location. Okay, and now these variables can be used like in function arguments, etc., and those kind of stuff. These variables are very flexible to use, so you can use them like, suppose say if I made a variable a equal to 2, now I can use like square root of a instead of using 2, but I'll still get the value there. Okay, let me change the format to short. Now if I do this, I got the value square root of 2 is 1.4142 in the 4 decimal digits. Okay, now let's talk some more about these variables. What are the basic rules or conditions for the variables? Well, these variables must be in between 30 to 63 characters, mostly, depending upon the Matlab version that you are using. I hope you are using a version more than 6. Okay, so they can store more than 60, I mean. And this Matlab must contain either digits or letters or a underscore character. Okay, and it must begin a variable name must begin with a letter, and lower and uppercase both are different. I mean, if suppose you have given a variable name a and oh, I'm sorry, if you have given a variable name a equal to 9, and then if you have given another variable name a equal to 8, and then when you used either first one or the second one, both are different, I mean. Okay, so it's case sensitive. Now one important thing that you have to do with variables is, whenever you declare a variable, don't try to use the built-in variable function names, okay, like sine, cos, or another built-in like round, remainder. Okay, a few are also there: ceil, flow, log, okay, log 10, factorial, absolute, exponential, all those things, those are all predefined, I mean built-in functions. So don't try to use those things, because then Matlab will get confused with what to use actually. Okay, so use any new ones, whichever you want to use. And this is how you use the variables. You can use it in functions or expressions, and a variable can store a value or an expression containing an integers. Okay, it can store an integer value. And this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe.